aire, y el aire se necesita el aire para la palabra, el sonido. No de todos los tipos de conexión, las conexiones con el sonido. Entonces, palabras, música, cantos y...
Abuela, ¿está bien para usted que le comparta a Guadalupe sobre la composta?
Ah, sí.
¿Sí? Y yo te enseño también las llaves de riego.
Hi my loves. So right now it is the morning. We all just got done talking and kind of like grouping to all kind of be on the same page of what we're going to be doing today. So as many of you know, like I'm here volunteering. That's how I'm able to travel so much for pretty cheap. And it's how I get to stay in beautiful places like this. So I am doing my daily contribution, which is social media for this place, Casa de los Niños de Abril. So yeah, so I just wanted to kind of like, I guess this is gonna be like a day in my life, like volunteering in Mexico, doing what it is that I do, taking photos for the website. I have my shot list here, and yeah, so I'm gonna be focused on that. It can be kind of hard for me because I'm also trying to balance like doing what it is that I want to do, like on YouTube, and also have time to create like my own content. But it's also a blessing to be able to help make somebody else's vision, you know, come to life. This is a beautiful retreat space. I wholeheartedly aligned with the mission here, and so I'm more than happy to take time to create. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now, and got my camera here, and today I am focused on, what am I doing today? Today I'm taking some like shots of the amenities of the temple, the bathrooms, the houses, and then I'm gonna be taking some reels for Instagram of the different services that are offered here. A lot of the people that are living here offer services and therapies like yoga, massage, healings, different kinds of healings. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then hopefully later today I'm gonna go to a cafe so I can upload some of my videos to YouTube. Is that a trampoline up there? Yo, I just realized there's a trampoline up in this tree. That's insane. Look at that. This huge tree. Loud. But anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to check in and kind of show you guys like what my life has been like here so far, volunteering in Mexico and making it work as a young traveler. And yeah, so I'm really excited to have some time to myself to be able to like edit some videos, and also like I love going into the town. It's so cute. I actually got this in town yesterday and I loved it so much. And I also got this crystal. It's obsidian, which is like the crystal, a traditional crystal of Mexico, which helps to kind of repent any negative energy, bad vibrations and things like that, which is always comforting to have. And I also got this leather bracelet with jade that is, you know, yeah, anyway, I need to get to work. Right now is what we call karma yoga. And it's basically where we put in hours of our time in exchange for living here and being here on this beautiful, 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 beautiful property. Okay. But yeah, alright, I love you guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe, show me love, and stick around because there's a lot coming and there's a lot happening, and there's a lot happening in my brain that I'm ready to execute. And yeah, okay, much love. Ciao. Hey guys, so today I come to the center, the city center, by myself to go to the cafe to work a little bit. So yeah. So, oh, are they closed today or what? They're closed. Mango chew. Wah. Okay, I gotta find another cafe. Hi my loves. So I've been wandering around Bacalar like all day by myself. I sat in a coffee shop and I got some work done, so I'm feeling super accomplished. But now I'm just exploring and I'm going on this pier. I don't know if I'm allowed here. There's people walking this way, but I don't know where it takes you. But I don't know, it feels nice out and I think the sun is about to set, so let's see. Oh, I think there's like boats that people can get on, but this is beautiful. Look at this. Lots of boats. Looks like there's some partying going on over there. Okay, there's not much over here, so I'm just gonna walk this way. Keep walking. Okay, I've decided that I'm gonna start filming with my back camera because it looks cooler, and yeah, so I just can't look at myself. So hi puppies! There's lots of dogs on the street. I don't know where I'm going now. Like I said, I already ate, so I don't really wanna. And that sign says, I'm okay in Bacalar. True. I'm okay in Bacalar. This is your reminder to not wait on anybody to travel. Just enjoy a city by yourself. Book the ticket and don't be scared. I'm actually looking for a restroom because I didn't go when I was in the cafe and I feel stupid, but yeah, because I definitely yes, found it. Manifestation, look at that, literally right here. Baños públicos, and I probably have to pay. That's a no. So there's like tons of people in the center. Lots of like dancers in like costumes. Really cute. It's like carnival vibes, but like not really. Like on a mini scale. Lots of Spanish. Hola my loves, so you made it to the end of the video. This part there was music, but this is a marquesita, which is basically just like a stand in Mexico, and they make crepes and you can add in whatever you want. So that's what's going on here. This is my first time trying it and it's super good. Very sweet though, but nevertheless. I forgot to do an outro, so this is me saying thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more vlogs of me in Mexico, go ahead and turn on my post notifications. And yeah, okay, much love.